Hey everyone, it's your favorite money-saving guru here. Get ready to laugh your way to financial freedom, because today we're diving into the top 5 money mistakes you absolutely need to avoid in 2025. We're talking about those sneaky little financial faux pas that can really put a dent in your wallet. But don't worry, we'll throw in some jokes to keep things light and fun. Because, let's face it, talking about money can be about as exciting as watching paint dry. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get this money train rolling. All right, folks, let's talk subscriptions. You know, those little monthly payments that seem to suck the money right out of your bank account? It's easy to lose track of them. You sign up for a free trial, forget to cancel, and bam! You're suddenly paying $10 a month for a cat grooming service you've never even used. And it's not just 1 or 2 subscriptions, no. These things multiply like rabbits. Before you know it, you're subscribed to 5 different streaming services, 3 fitness apps, and who knows what else. The worst part? These things add up faster than a hamster on a wheel. Seriously, you could be wasting hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year on subscriptions you don't even use. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Maybe a vacation, a new gadget, or just some peace of mind knowing you're not throwing money away. It's gotten so bad, I swear I need a subscription just to keep track of all my subscriptions. But hey, at least I'd have a subscription for that, right? Nervous laughter. But seriously, folks, take a good hard look at your subscriptions and cut the ones you don't use. It's not just about saving money, it's about taking control of your finances. Start by making a list of all your subscriptions. Go through your bank statements, credit card bills, and even your email for those welcome to your new subscription messages. Once you have your list, ask yourself, do I really need this? Am I actually using it? If the answer is no, it's time to cancel. Your wallet will thank you, and who knows, you might even find a little extra cash for something you truly enjoy. So go ahead, take control, and start slashing those unnecessary subscriptions today. Okay, let's talk about inflation. No, not those inflatable pool toys you love so much. I'm talking about the kind of inflation that makes your money worth less over time. It's like that friend who always forgets their wallet when you go out to eat, except this friend is silently shrinking your purchasing power every single day. Remember when you could buy a cup of coffee for $1? Yeah, me neither. These days, even your morning coffee is getting a promotion. But seriously, folks, inflation is a real thing, and it's important to factor it into your budget. Otherwise, you might find yourself eating ramen noodles for every meal. And trust me, even the fanciest ramen noodles get old after a while. Chapter 3. Technophobia, why your grandma's flip phone won't cut it in 2025. Listen, I love my grandma, she's awesome. But her flip phone, not so much. And in 2025, clinging to outdated technology is like trying to pay for groceries with monopoly money. It's just not going to fly. Investing in technology isn't just about having the latest gadgets, it's about staying competitive, efficient, and connected in a rapidly evolving world. Think about it, budgeting apps, online courses, even just having a reliable internet connection can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches in the long run. So, ditch the dinosaur tech and embrace the future. Just maybe don't ask your grandma for tech advice. Chapter 4. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs literally in one basket. Imagine this. You're walking down the street carrying a basket full of eggs, all your eggs, every single one. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and everything seems perfect. You feel confident, maybe even a little invincible as you stride along with your precious cargo. And then, bam, you trip, you fall, and those eggs? Scrambled. The once perfect day is now a mess of broken shells and gooey yolk. It's a disaster. And you can't help but think, if only I'd been more careful. That's what it's like to put all your money into one investment. The stock market can be unpredictable, and a sudden crash can wipe out your savings in an instant. It's a harsh reality, but one that many people face when they don't diversify their investments. One wrong move and you're left with a whole lot of financial yoke on your face. The stress and disappointment can be overwhelming, and it can take years to recover from such a setback. It's a risk that simply isn't worth taking. Diversifying your investments is like having multiple baskets for your eggs. Instead of putting everything into one basket, you spread your eggs across several. This way, if one basket falls, you still have others to rely on. It's a strategy that can help protect your financial future. Sure, one basket might take a tumble, but the other's safe and sound. This approach reduces your risk and increases your chances of success. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your investments and ensure that you're not left empty-handed. So, spread that money around, invest in different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. Each type of investment has its own set of risks and rewards, and by diversifying, you can balance these out. This way, you're not overly exposed to any single market fluctuation. And sleep soundly knowing your financial future is a little more secure. Diversification can provide peace of mind knowing that your investments are spread out and not all tied to one potential failure. It's a smart move for anyone looking to build a stable and prosperous financial future. Just maybe invest in some bubble wrap for those eggs too. Think of it as an extra layer of protection, like having insurance for your investments. It might seem like a small step, but it can make a big difference in the long run, just in case. Because when it comes to your financial future, it's always better to be safe than sorry, so diversify, protect, and watch your investments grow. Chapter 5. Emergency Fund. Because life throws curveballs, and sometimes literal curveballs. Life is unpredictable. We all know that feeling when everything seems to be going just fine, and then, out of nowhere, something unexpected happens. It's like you're on a smooth ride, and suddenly there's a bump in the road that you didn't see coming. One minute you're sailing smoothly, enjoying the calm waters and the gentle breeze. Everything seems perfect, and you feel like nothing could go wrong. The next, you're getting hit with a financial curveball you never saw coming. It could be anything from a sudden job loss to an unexpected medical emergency. These surprises can throw you off balance and leave you scrambling to find a solution. Car repairs, medical bills, or even a broken appliance at home can create a financial strain. These are the kinds of expenses that can disrupt your budget and cause stress. And let's not forget those unexpected trips, like having to fly across the country for a family emergency, or to see your long-lost cousin in Antarctica. Hey, it could happen. These situations can be both emotionally and financially draining. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a dedicated stash of money set aside specifically for these unforeseen events. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and financial stability when life throws its curveballs. It's like having a financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws its worst. This fund acts as a buffer, allowing you to handle emergencies without derailing your long-term financial goals. Imagine the relief of knowing you have a cushion to fall back on. It's like having a safety net that catches you when you stumble, giving you the confidence to face life's uncertainties. Think of it as your financial wingman, always there to back you up when things get tough. This fund is your ally, helping you navigate through the rough patches without losing your footing, always there to back you up when things get tough. It's like having a friend who always has your back, no matter what. With an emergency fund, you can tackle challenges head-on, knowing you're prepared. Because let's face it, folks, life loves to throw curveballs when you least expect it. It's almost like a game, and the only way to win is to be prepared. Life loves to throw curveballs when you least expect it, so start building that emergency fund today. You'll thank me later. So start building that emergency fund today. You'll thank me later. Trust me, having that financial cushion will make a world of difference when the unexpected happens, or at least you'll be less likely to curse my name when that unexpected expense pops up. Instead, you'll feel a sense of relief knowing you were prepared for whatever life threw your way. That's a wrap. Your financial future starts now today. There you have it, folks. The essentials. The top 5 money mistakes to avoid in 2025. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned, but a joke a day keeps the financial woes away. Now go forth and conquer your finances with confidence. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and laughs.